Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to destination for honest reviews of tools and gear that truly deliver. Today, we're taking a look at what we believe is the best high-limb rope saw you can buy, the 55-inch high-limb rope saw by Kutir. If you've ever struggled with trimming tall tree branches, you know how frustrating and dangerous it can be to climb ladders or hire expensive services. This rope saw eliminates all of that hassle with a tool that's not only powerful and portable, but incredibly easy to use. Whether you're maintaining your backyard or cutting through tough limbs in the wilderness, this chainsaw is designed for serious performance. Right out of the box, you're met with a complete manual tree limb cutting kit. You're not just getting a rope saw, you're getting two 25-foot-long, high-strength ropes, ergonomic handles for a secure grip, precision throw weights, a sharpening tool, and a sturdy carrying case to keep everything together. It's a full tree trimming setup that you can carry in one hand. Now, let's talk performance. The saw itself is 55 inches long and features dual-sided bi-directional cutting teeth made from industrial-grade high-carbon steel. This means that whether you're pulling from the left or the right, you're always cutting. And unlike other models that jam easily or cut unevenly, Kutir's design provides a smooth, efficient sawing motion that can tackle limbs up to 16 inches in diameter, fast. One of the standout features here is the 360-degree cutting action. That means the chain wraps around the limb, and no matter how you angle your pull, you're cutting. Combined with the 50% increase in cutting teeth compared to other saws, this gives you faster, cleaner results with far less effort. And the best part? No ladders. This rope saw is made for high limb cutting. With a combined 50 feet of rope, you can reach over 40 feet into the air, safely, from the ground. And if that's not enough, just add more rope. The handles are designed for comfort and grip, so you can pull confidently, even on tougher limbs. Durability is another major win. The stainless steel teeth stay sharp longer and the high carbon build means it's going to last you for years. It's rugged enough for professional landscapers but simple and affordable enough for everyday homeowners. Whether you're clearing trails, collecting firewood, or doing storm cleanup, this rope chainsaw is the perfect combination of portability and cutting power. It folds up compactly into the included carrying pouch, making it ideal for your car, toolbox, or emergency kit. To sum it up, the Kutir 55-inch high-limb rope saw gives you pro-grade performance in a compact, easy-to-use kit. It's efficient, safe, durable, and affordable, everything you'd want in a rope saw. No more ladders, no more stress, just grab the ropes and get cutting. If you're ready to take control of your tree trimming with the best high-limb rope saw on the market, this might be the tool for you. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth reviews of the tools that actually work. See you next time.